How to change password in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to change your password on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here, select it. Then here you can find your settings option just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap onto your profile just right here on the account settings, select it. Now to change password, you need to add email address, so tap on it. Then here you can find to change your password, you need to create a Reddit password first. Now tap on to continue. Now you can see we have received a link to create our password. Now tap on to OK and check your mail. Then here you can find reset password right here. Now select it. Now simply add your new password and confirm the password and simply tap on to reset password. And by doing this, you can simply change your password. And that's it. This is how you can change password in the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.